And welcome to your ASX chart of the day for the 15th of June 2023. Today we're looking at producer of building products in Australia and North America, Brickworks Limited, ticker code BKW. Having a good day in markets today, and let's have a look at the chart right now. You can see here we've been watching this 2650 level and we've actually smashed through that resistance. After this retracement we saw at the beginning of June, we've made our way back up to this, and then today we've had a very good day indeed. We're trading towards the high of the session. If we just pop it on the weekly chart, you can see this also corresponds to a breach of the last time it was at this level in mid-2021. So all-time highs it may be, but obviously the markets feel that this is a stock that's undervalued. It's had a really good year to date so far, and today's action confirms buying pressure in this stock. Want to, and have a look at perhaps at the end of the day just to see where it's sitting, but at this stage it looks pretty positive. Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye bye for now.